build, huge rally, huge rally. What happened here? Look at this. Here's your RSI. Here's the daily chart. We can even extend to here, be like that. Here was your, oh my God. So you can see gold is actually following my general thoughts. I don't think we'll get this. I'm thinking we're not going to get this big pullback right here, but it did follow my squiggly line down. We didn't get a pump higher, but we did get that final move down to touch this downtrend line, which is kind of what I expected. This was a huge channel. So this acted as a support. You know, they pushed through it just to stop a lot of longs out, and then it totally reversed and took off. I mean, if you could have bought down here 1680, 1690, tough to buy, but if you did, you know, you'd be up 70, 60 points, 60 points. Yeah, 60, around 60 points right now. That's pretty good. You can see on RSI, it broke through all these downtrends. Boom, pushed higher through here. That's your first push through. And here's your second one where it just absolutely took off. Boom, boom. MACD and Stochastic are super bullish. I'm going to get rid of this squiggly thing. We can see we're running into major resistance again. We touched the major resistance and reversed. What a surprise. Here's 12 hours still looking ridiculously bullish. 8 hour as well. But if we keep heading lower, I bet we start running into some divergence. Yeah, so here's your 1 hour, right? So here's your MACD divergence forming, and your RSI is starting to struggle. You can see with price, we're getting a rejection. I do think divergences are coming in. We do have this big resistance. We did hit the 2.618 of the, if you know, we assume that my chaos drawn from way up here is accurate all the way down to the 1659, which we didn't tag. We didn't tag that. We did tag the 3.59. It would make sense that this 2.618 is acting as a resistance level in a reversal area. And the ultimate low would be 1659 if we reverse, and then dollar takes off and gold goes to new lows to just scare people one more time. This would be a great area to go to, but I'm going to delete that for now. I think it's confusing. Yeah, gold looks good. But I think in the short time frame, in the shorter, I think we need a pullback here. Okay, we've gone up too far, too fast. We need a bit of a pullback to wash people out, and then we can have our big takeoff. That's what I'm seeing. And if I go to like a 15-minute, yeah, exactly, pullbacks for buys. So here's your 15-minute. I mean, this is how I would draw this, like this. And there's your push higher, and this is your short area. And then the question is, where's your exit? What's your target? So if this was the low, and we're going to get a pullback of this big rally, you know, these are your pullback areas: 38.2, 50%, and 61.8. You know, what if we just go down to the 61.8, below this entire range, stop everyone out that's long from this range, and then head higher? I mean, that I would probably cause maximum pain. I mean, I'd have to look at the options market, but I think that would be the like maximum pain area probably. And it would make sense to see gold pull back from there. Definitely divergence coming in. I think it's a nice short trade kind of developing. I don't like, again, trading against the daily chart. Maybe better to just wait for that pullback, just wait and then get long. I think that might be a better idea. The question is, where on this, look at how we tag this 50 EMA on the 12 hour and we're rejecting off it. It's 1 hour, there's the 1 hour, 4 hour, 2 hour, 30-minute. I guess the 1 hour has provided the, no. I think the 2 hour and the 1 hour probably provided the best support for gold. And it seems to get, especially this 2 hour, seems to get rejected from here often and tags it. Could just come down to the 1727 area. And that might be your buy reversal point. You kind of got to watch and see how the momentum indicators develop. I think we can also do a small channel. Say this is like, so, you know, I was worried about that, but I think this looks pretty good. So that would be your channel. And this again, right, if we pull back right here, again, it's 2017, 27 to keep that uptrend intact. Yeah, I think, the more I look at this, the more I think, pull back to 38.2. And also, the bottom of this uptrend channel makes perfect sense. And then we can take off and head higher and try to break through this trend heuristic channel. That's what I'm seeing. And I think, if you took what if you took a short from here? Kind of, say you took it 1752 right here, set the stop right above the highest high, and your target was 1720. Let's go to 1728. Let's be conservative. 3.5 to 1 risk reward, not bad. I mean, I can even lower it a bit. We'll go 1758 just to be safe. Yeah, almost a 4 to 1 risk reward. If I just lower it a little bit more, it's 4 to 1. I like those odds. Anything over a 3 to 1 is pretty good to me. I'm not a big fan of 2 to 1s. I really prefer 4 to 1, 5 to 1, 3 to 1 in rare situations, but 4 to 1 risk reward, 5 to 1, 6 to 1. Those are the trades I like taking because I don't mind if I get stopped out. I'll just take it again, and I'll maybe take it a third time, and I'll still end up in really nice profits by the end. Okay, so that's gold. That's what I'm thinking.